How to fix Facebook Story new UI update not showing problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you Facebook Story new UI update not showing problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. First of all, you need to update your Facebook apps. So go to Play Store and then tap on Search app. Search Facebook. Update your Facebook apps in latest version. I have already updated my Facebook apps. And then find Facebook apps. Now long press on Facebook apps. Open Facebook app info, just tap on I button or app info. Now go to storage option, tap on storage, tap on clear cache. Now go back, tap on force stop, tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then restart your phone. After restart your phone, now go to Facebook. Now open any one story and then tap on here and see new UI update is showing now.